Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable or enable tilt corrections while you're taking a shot inside of GeoMeasure's Survey Crew. So I've already connected up to my receiver, and what I'm going to do here is head to my Point Survey menu. Now what you're going to see in the top left corner is a very handily tilted receiver with a red kind of stop button next to it, which is telling me that my tilt is currently disabled. And if I click on that button, what's going to happen is the receiver is going to become blue and I now have tilt enabled. And you can see here at the bottom of the screen on the left side here where my point store button is, I have a red kind of button showing the receiver telling me that my tilt sensor needs to be calibrated, meaning that I'm ready to begin taking tilt shots, and I just need to click that button again if I want to disable it moving forward. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you enable and disable tilt inside of GeoMeasure's Survey Crew. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us online at bench-mark.ca.